Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nurse Michelle here. Happy New Year, everybody. It's 2020. I've been back from Ghana for about 2 weeks now, and I'm now recently, gotten my mind together, gotten my schedule together, and I'm ready to take on YouTube this year. I recently gained a lot of subscribers from my vlogs from Ghana. Hey, new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Since you're new, I'm going to tell you guys what I do. I'm Michelle. I am a registered nurse. I make nursing related videos. I make lifestyle related videos, which I'm going to be making a lot more of this year. And I make travel vlogs, and that's how some of you found me. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to have a successful year. If it was up to the end of me, guys, I would not be sitting here making this video. Like, it's only been 2 weeks into the year, and I feel like I've been defeated already, but the devil's a liar, and we're gonna have a successful year. Okay, this valuable information I'm going to be sharing with you guys has been one of the things that's been helping me these last couple of years set goals and stick to them. So I'll be teaching you guys how to make a digital vision board today. I'm telling you guys, if you implement this in your routine this year, you will have a successful year. Like, vision boards are game changers. Vision boards are life changers. So let's get into this video. Before we get started, what is a vision board? So according to Google, a vision board is a collage of images and words representing a person's wishes and goals. It's intended to serve as a inspiration and motivation for your life. My definition of a vision board is setting an outline of how you want your year to look like, the goals and the things you want to accomplish. You're basically putting it in picture form, and it's going to be a constant reminder that you need to work towards these goals. I'm going to share with you guys my vision boards that I've made the past couple of years. I started making a vision board 2018. I'm going to share with you guys my vision board from that year, and basically it's just a collage of everything that I wanted to accomplish that year. So the year 2008, I turned 23. I wanted to be more natural. Friends and loving myself was a priority. I did a lot of traveling. Some of the things I wasn't able to do. So, it's not like 100% proof that you will accomplish everything on your list, but it's just to gauge what you would want your year to look like. And just, motivational quotes and things that you just really want to accomplish. So that's what my 2018 vision board looks like. And then 2019, I got very specific. I cut down on the traveling and started paying off more of my debt, and which was like the biggest priority for me that year. I turned 24. I got my braces. I started thinking about grad school. I passed my CCRN there. You guys saw in my videos from last year. And then I focused more on YouTube, and we're still focusing on YouTube. And of course, self-care and self-love. I really wanted to pay off my car, and I made that video on it this year. I paid off some of my student loans, and then at the beginning of the year, I cut up my credit cards and said no to credit cards, but I kind of fell off. So, this year I'm back and I'm better. I've set my 2020 vision board. I'm not going to be sharing that with you guys yet because, it's just between me and God. I'm going to have a tutorial of how to make a vision board, so stay tuned towards the end of this video. I'll be showing you the photo editing software that I use and how I use it. I basically make this my background for my laptop. I'm constantly on my laptop. So every time I open my laptop, I see my vision board for the year, and I remember my goals and I stick to them. This is to set as a constant reminder. We don't live in the age where we cut up papers. That's archaic. We're in 2020, a whole new decade. Implementing a digital vision board is key to having a successful year. So let's get started into this digital vision board tutorial. First and foremost, you will need a computer to make this vision board. The editing software I use is picmonkey.com, which I'm typing in there. So you go onto the website. It's going to require you to start a free trial before you use the website. So you make a username and password for this account. And you guys, because of YouTube, I already have an account with them, so I'm going to transfer back to my actual account when I'm making my board. But after you make your account, it takes you to this page. It says to start a 7-day free trial. This is free, absolutely free. But you're going to have to put in your payment method in order to start. So click on the $7.99 one, which is the monthly fee, and it tells you when you can cancel before it starts deducting money from your account. So please keep that in mind so that you can cancel right after you make this vision board so you don't get charged. So PicMonkey.com, this is my real account. You click on edit image and it brings you to that page. So I'm going to get on Google. Before you even start, you're going to need a white blank sheet, a white blank template. So Google, type in white PNG background, white PNG, and it brings you to this. Save one of these images into your computer. Because I use this frequently, I already have a template in, so I'm going to click on that, which is white. So then it brings you to the PicMonkey editing site. To the left, you'll see all the tools it gives you. So effects, touch-ups, text. You can edit all your pictures through this app. A lot of people on Instagram and a lot of vloggers and bloggers use this. So we're gonna click on the shapes, the graphics. Click on basic, and this is how we're gonna start our vision board. This is making our header. Do use it as to your liking. Choose your favorite color. Have a colored theme. Make it fun. Make it interesting. So I chose this initially, but I ended up changing my mind, which you guys will see later. So this is our header that I am making right now. I am going to then write my text, which will be Vision Board 2020. Every year I just make sure that I emphasize the year, because just so I can trace back and see what I've used. So that I can trace back and see what the previous years looked like. So this is my Vision Board 2020 header. So I told you guys I ended up changing my mind from the pink to a more Tiffany blue. So now that my header is complete, I'll be making my sub-headers, my subtopics. So the first category is travels, because I believe that traveling throughout the year is essential for everybody's mental health. Like, do not go 12 months without a vacation, because you are going to mentally kill yourself. Traveling is very important to me, especially as a nurse. Like, I feel like I need breaks. Mock digital vision board that I'm making, I will be selecting 3 places that I would like to travel to this year. Tulum, which I've already been, and then LA, and then Puerto Rico. And I'll be showing you guys how I put that on the vision board. So I go back to Google, and then I type in images of the things that I would like to accomplish this year. So since we're talking about traveling, I'm putting in Tulum, and then I'm just going to search for an image that, soothes my liking. Looks like I searched here for a while until I found something. Just scrolling through the images here. But yes, Tulum was lovely. I recommend everybody to visit. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So serene. So I'm just going to save this to my desktop so that it's easier to find. And like I said, I've already went ahead and saved the LA and Puerto Rico images to my computer. So I'm going to click on the Tulum one, and then I'm going to adjust it to my liking to fit the outline of my vision board. But yeah, like I said, adjusting it, you can get really finicky with this, especially if you have like a little OCD. But I don't, so it's fine. I'm sorry if you watch this and you have OCD. Some things might not be aligned properly. But yes, this is me putting down the other places I'd like to visit you. On average, I think 2 to 3 places a year is sufficient enough just for your mental health. Try to travel. Plan. Anything can be accomplished with proper planning. Start saving now for the vacation you want to go to in July. Don't wait till May to plan. Plan now. You know, you can't control you can't control everything in your life, but certain things you have the control of, which is taking, needed, necessary vacations. So yes, this is the first category, which is the travels, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing again. Click on my basic background and then add words. So for this next category, it's health and wellness. So this mock digital vision board, we want to focus on working out, healthier lifestyle. So find images that will remind you of that. Reading is a priority for you. Find images that will be a priority for that. Meditation, self-care. If you are a Black woman and you want to focus more on your natural beauty and your natural hair, if that's a priority for you, put that on there. And of course, just self-love in general. So those are the images that I looked for this category, and I'm just going to speed it up so that this video is not super long. Alright, so this person here is turning 22. I think it's important to put the year you'll be turning on your vision board, just so you can know like what you were thinking at that age. So this vision board here, you can tell education is important. They wanted to get into nursing school, get a 4.0. Be your own boss, cash flow, cash only, you make wiser financial decisions. So after you've added the finishing touches to the vision board, you are going to then go ahead and save this and download it onto your computer, which I am doing here. And then after it's downloaded, you're going to exit out and then look through your downloads and find the image. So after you found the image, you're going to save it on your desktop and then set that as the background of your computer so that you're constantly looking at it every single time you open your laptop. You know what your goals are, and you ask yourself, you kind of feel a little guilty if you're not leading up to the things you have set up for the year. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts were. Talk to you guys later. Love y'all. Bye.